everyone, we did it! We made it to Friday. Congratulations. Hopefully everything's getting smoother and you're getting more into a routine with your schoolwork. Today, boys and girls, is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Hopefully you're starting to pay attention to our pattern here, trying to figure out what that is. So today is April 3rd, 2020, or 4-3-20. Remember to always write your date in your black journal when you're working in your black journal. Today is the 128th day of school. 100, 2 10s, and 8 1s. Or 100 plus 20 plus 8 equals 128 in expanded form. Today you're watching our morning meeting. For math, you're going to be learning about bar graphs. Bar graphs are very similar to picture graphs, but instead of drawing a picture, you just fill in the whole square for each thing you're counting. During reading workshop, you're going to be taking your spelling test. You'll have an assignment in Spelling City that says spelling test. You just click on that and you can take your test there, or if you would prefer, you can take your test on a piece of paper that's in your green bin. During reading, you're going to take a reading quiz on the book you've been reading this week. Just go into Kids A to Z, click on the question mark, and go ahead and take the quiz. And yes, you do need to do question 11 where you type in an answer. Do your best. For writing, I'd like you to look back through your journal, take a picture of your favorite entry, and then record yourself reading it to me and send it to me on Seesaw. As always, help with your chores and get some great outside playtime. It's Free Friday today. My free share is that it's been just a fun week, interesting, very different way to do school, but I think we're all getting the hang of it and we're gonna make it through. I'm planning to do some outside time this weekend. Hope to go for some hikes and a bike ride. All right, miss you all and hope you have a great weekend. Bye.